You've been cheated on too many times. And trust no one.
On travel game changers. This travel organizer pops out of your bag, gets hung up, and neatly stores all of your folded clothes and dirty laundry. This toothbrush comes with pasted bristles, tooth floss, a hidden pick, and requires no water at all so you can clean your teeth at any time. And these headphones can translate in real time with one touch.
Jak się czujesz?
I found a baby.
One, two, three, four. Doom tech, tech, doom tech, doom tech, tech, doom tech.
Amazon fashion gadgets you didn't know you needed. Do you have any pants that don't fit anymore or are too stretched out to stay up around your waist? These replacement jean buttons are perfect for replacing, reducing, or extending your pants instantly in seconds with no sewing required. Press the tack through the fabric, attach the base, and lastly, button your jeans like normal.
On favorites for your home office. This lamp is awesome. It has a slim design, 2 light settings, and even a place for you to charge your phone. You can find it linked to my bio, like, and follow for more. On favorites for your kitchen. This little contraption stirs your pot for you. It has 3 settings and will gently stir your pot so you don't have to. Find it linked to my bio, like, and follow for more. Amazon items that you need. Keep your electronics clean with these items. This stylus has a retractable brush, which is great for moving dust and debris out of hard to reach places. Silicone wiper also helps with dust and debris and is great for camera lenses too. This laptop cleaner is absolutely perfect. It has a microfiber pad which removes all fingerprints and smudges, and a big brush on the other side. And then link to my bio, like, and follow for more.
Random Amazon finds that just slap. This toilet bidet is one of the best on the market and takes less than 15 minutes to install. It has dual nozzle cleaning modes, non-electric, plus it's a healthier option and can save you quite a bit of money by needing less TP. Random Amazon finds that just slap. These outdoor lights can brighten up your patio or backyard without driving up your electric bill. They're solar powered, easy to install, the bulbs are shatterproof, and they can even muscle through the crazy snowstorms here in Texas. Random Amazon finds that just slap. These gloves let you shed light on doing things like plumbing, electrical work, car repairs, and even fishing where there's minimal light and you don't have anyone to hold the flashlight for you. They're super bright, waterproof, and comes in handy when you're eating a midnight snack. Random Amazon finds that just slap. This gadget lets you neatly organize your spices, vitamins, or medicine bottles and makes the most out of vertical space in your cabinets. Each side easily pulls out and rotates to give you instant access to the bottles and jars you need, and the best part is there's no assembly required.